Good job. What'd you do that for? Hold on.
Push the letter button.
What do you think of that? Why'd you do that? Don't bite your arm. Don't bite your arm. Hold on. I'm going to get your teeth in. There you go. You're doing really good. You're doing a great job. Oh.
Music, messages, calendar, text messages,
Yeah.
calendar, text messages, calendar, text messages, calendar, text messages. Push the paw button.
Don't want to do shapes right now?
Calendar.
Okay.
Push the
You don't have to do shapes right now.
Tuesday. On this day, I have puppy training. Wednesday. On this day, I go to
You like to
the
take it
park
apart?
to play some fetch.
Big. How's it go? Sit down in our thinking chair and think, think, think. 'Cause when we use our minds, take a step at a time, we could do anything that we want to do. We gotta find the paw print, that's the first clue. We put it in our notebook. Because they're whose clues? Blue's clues. Gotta find the paw print, that's the second clue. Put it in a notebook. Because they're whose clues? Blue's clues. We gotta find another paw print, that's the third clue. Put it in our notebook. Because they're whose clues? Blue's clues. Now we sit down in our thinking chair and think, think, think. 'Cause when we use our minds, take a step at a time, we could do anything that we want to do. Say clap up here. And you clap over here. And then you clap down here. And you clap down there. And then you chomp, chomp, chippy chippy chomp. Chomp, chomp, chippy chippy chomp. Chomp, chomp, chippy chippy chomp. Don't pick nose. Don't pick your nose. That's gross. You want to get down? Where'd your teeth go? Ooh. Let me get up.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10.
Good job.
1, 2, 9, 10. 1, 2, 9, 10.
Slow down.
1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job. Great job. High five. High five. Yay. Yay. Great job.